Yeah. Is Mama gonna video record you? Yeah. Is he gonna record you? Is he gonna do that type of thing? Say cheese for the camera. Yeah. Say hello, Mama. Hello, Mama. Say hello, Mama. Hey, you gonna be good for the camera? You gonna be good for Mama in the video camera? Yeah, she's gonna camera you. Yeah. Can you see her with the camera? Oh! Oh yeah!
Oh, that was cute.
Oh yeah! Say, oh yeah! Yeah. There's Mama with the
Today
camera.
is Sunday, August 2nd. We just got back from church.
Oh, the second.
It had Seisha's
Home from
being
church.
so darn
Home
cute.
from church. Say, well, I'm home from church. Yeah. It's Sunday. Time to play around.
She's
Time to play.
9 weeks and a couple of days old.
Couple days old?
Last
You're a couple days old, Mom
Just
said.
this last Friday, July 31st,
A couple days.
John and I went to the doctor so she could get her shots, and she was such a good little trooper. She only cried for about 3 or 4 minutes, and then she was so tired and just
Are you tired?
pretty much wanted to sleep the rest of that
Are you gonna be a
afternoon
good girl
and
today?
evening. So
Are you gonna be a good girl today? Show me you can be a good girl today. Yeah. Good girl?
and she's just being super cute.
Oh,
We
no,
just
that's
love
not
her.
That's a bad girl. You want to be a good girl. You want to be, yeah, there you go. You want to be a good girl?
Uh-oh, her little socky is getting ready to fall off, I think.
Mayday, mayday. Okay,
Seisha! Seisha! Oh.
Oh, got it.
Unless you really talk to her, she gets on the verge of crying.
Hey, I fixed it. Seisha.
Get back in her face, sort of, hon.
Hey, hey. It's okay. Daddy's right here. Hey, Seishers. Hey, hey. And cut. Say and cut. No, don't record me.
Yes, I just want to get your face,
I'm
hon.
trying to record me.
Say
I've got my
hi.
garments on.
Say hi, hon.
Hi.